near-Earth body, Asteroid 2003 SD220, makes close approach to Earth. This is December 24th article. Astronomers working with NASA's Goldstone Deep Space Network, NSF's Green Bank Telescope and Arecibo Observatory's 1,000-foot, that's 305-meter antenna, have released the first radar images of a big near-Earth asteroid called 2003 SD220. The asteroid flew past Earth Saturday, December 22nd, 2018, at a distance of about 1.8 million miles. This was the asteroid's closest approach in more than 400 years, and the closest until 2070, when the asteroid will safely approach Earth slightly closer at that time. Asteroid 2003 SD220 was discovered September 29, 2003 by astronomers at the Lowell Observatory Near-Earth Object Search. The object is classified as being a potentially hazard asteroid because of its size and close approaches to Earth's orbit. The radar measurements refine the understanding of 2003 SD220's orbit, confirming that it does not pose a future impact threat to Earth. The radar images show that the asteroid is at least 1 mile across and has a shape similar to that of the exposed portion of the hippopotamus wading in a river. The images achieve an unprecedented level of detail and are comparable to those obtained from a spacecraft flyby. This is what Dr. Lance Benner, a researcher at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, states. He says the most conspicuous surface feature is a prominent ridge that appears to wrap partway around the asteroid near one end. It extends about 330 feet above the surrounding terrain. Numerous small bright spots are visible in the data and may be reflections from boulders. The image also shows a cluster of dark circular features near the ridge edge that may be craters. The image shows that 2003 SD220 has an extremely slow rotation period of roughly 12 days. It also has what seems to be a complex rotation somewhat analogous to a poorly thrown football, known as non-principal axis rotation. It is uncommon among near-Earth asteroids, most of which spin about their shortest axis. The astronomer said, "This year, with our knowledge about 2003 SD220 slow rotation, we were able to plan out a great sequence of radar images using the large single-dish radio telescopes in the nation." This is what Dr. Patrick Taylor, scientist with the University Space Research Association at the Lunar and Planetary Institute, states. He explains the new details we've uncovered all the way down to 2003 SD220's geology will let us reconstruct shape and rotation state, as was done with Bennu, target of the OSIRIS-REx mission, said Dr. Edgar Rivera Valentin, also from University Space Research Association at the Lunar and Planetary Institute. Detailed shape reconstruction let us better understand how these small bodies formed and evolved over time, he said. If you'd like to join me on my Patreon account, you will hear content not covered by mainstream media. These riveting stories will be based on my research, and I will state my opinions and give my personal insight on diverse and controversial subjects and world events not covered by mainstream media, and not supported by YouTube guidelines. So whatever I have on my Patreon, most of those will not be on my YouTube channel. Please consider becoming a member today. More of the most significant and important videos will be on my Patreon channel. Your support helps me to continue my research and keeps this YouTube channel alive. And we depend on your support, your generous charity, because we help economically challenged families here in Athens, Greece, in Kapota, and we also
help
the young generation with university tuition and the community around our church. Thank you.